So your video and your audio is working. All right, we're here today for a status before we get to, I believe, some of our cutoffs and also our deadlines. I'll allow both parties to be heard if the state wishes to go first.
State does not wish to be heard today. We're ready for trial and intend to comply with the deadlines that the court gave. The defense and I did have one agreement about a deadline that they possibly wanted to push back by, I believe, 2 weeks. They had asked if they could push back the demonstrative exhibit deadline till September 4th. We don't have an issue with that. We believe we'll be able to comply with everything in the judge's order. The only Sergeant Corbett's presentation sometimes can take a little longer, as I know last time it changed a couple of times before trial, just minor changes that he made. We were able to keep defense up to speed with that and had agreements as to that. We've talked about that and intend to do the same thing this time if we could have the deadline of September 4th for our demonstrative exhibits. We can give him a pretty finalized rough draft of that by that point, and any minor changes that do need to be made, talk to the defense about that after that time.
All right. If the defense can explain why you would like this to be pushed back, and the only reason I ask this question is because once everything is filed pursuant to the deadlines, we need to have probably at least a 2 or 3 hour hearing on all pretrial motions, so I don't want the start of the trial to be bogged down by needing a ruling on a particular issue or motion, but I'll allow you to explain.
Judge, I think the construction of some of the demonstratives, obviously I'm new to the game, so to speak, but in this case it is a different case factually from those that have been tried before. But just the construction of them, meshing them with electronics that we're going to have available, I would just like, we've done some new discovery in recently as well. That is going to be incorporated into our demonstratives, so it's just a little bit more breathing room to be able to get it done.
And I assume both sides are going to want the headsets and the various audio media aspects for the jury once again?
Yes, sir.